Good morning and welcome back. Today's Monday, November 30th. This video is over how to use your data tracker. So today's mind stretcher has to deal with 4A, which is a review of last week. And prokaryote, telling the difference between prokaryote and eukaryote. So your steps to get to your data tracker: you want to go to your SSO, and when there, click on Office 365, and then there's the purple OneNote app. You want to click on that. And here's the part where some people are making a mistake. They're just clicking on the first notebook. Now, earlier in the year, I shared my notebook with you. So a lot of people are opening up my old notebook. That won't work. You want to make sure this step, class notebooks, is done. So we're in the OneNote app, and then it gives you a choice. You want to pick class notebooks. Then you want to select your biology notebook. Okay? Once you've opened up your biology notebook, at the bottom is your notebook. And I'll show you what that looks like if you haven't been on it. I know the in-person, the face-to-face kids had started using this before Thanksgiving break. And then you want to go to your Goal Data Tracker tab and then click on your data tracker. So let me go through, let's see here, there we go, and show you what that looks like. Okay, so you're in OneNote. Go to Class Notebooks. Now I've created one for each one of my classes, so it'll look a little different. Then fourth period, I'll open up fourth period biologies as an example. Now I have every student. You won't. You'll probably see the welcome. You'll see the collaboration space, where we'll be tomorrow, content library, and I don't think you see this, but then you will see your name. And so you want to click on that. So if you click on your name, it'll open up the tabs in your notebook. And so you want to go down to the Goal Data Tracker. Click on that. If it comes up with an untitled page, right-clicking and deleting that page will get it out of your way. So you want your data tracker up top. So it was OneNote, class notebook. Go down to the bottom, you'll see your name. Click on the arrow down and it'll open up all your tabs. Go to the Goal Data Tracker and then come over to the data tracker. And today's mind stretcher will go right in this space because it's 4A. So let's say this person got 100%. They got all 10 points out of 10. Then if you'll come up here, let me move this over so you can see the directions. You're tracking it to show your strengths. And so if it is mastery, you're going to highlight that square green. And there's two ways you can do it. You can right click and then hit cell shading and make it green. That's one way. Let me undo. The other way to do it is you can highlight the number and then come up here and do it that way. So either way still works. It still shows green, still shows mastery. So let's say you didn't do so hot and you scored a 60%. Well, 60%, you haven't mastered it yet, but you do have some kind of clue. So that would be yellow. And so goal is anything that's yellow or red, eventually as we go on, you want to see turn green. And this will be useful when it comes to the EOC and you start doing customized reviews. You can go to your data tracker and see where your strengths are. And if it's strong, that's not where you need to focus. So we'll be doing this all year round. And once again, you find that in your personal notebook, clicking on your name, going to the Goal Data Tracker, and then here's your data tracker. One thing I noticed with the class that just did it, They were going, some of them, if it doesn't let you type, and you probably won't have, okay, you won't have that issue unless you're in second period. So that works out great. Okay, let me delete this. So that is how you will be recording your progress for all the different TEKS and things you'll be learning this year.